Okay, room tour time, Ocean Casino Resort, Atlantic City, room 809. Our absolute favorite place to stay in Atlantic City. Wait till you see this room. Absolutely beautiful. When you come in, just so you know, you have a lot of space here in the front and a big mirror. Hello. Coming around, we have a nice big closet. Tons of room for your stuff there, nice big safe. And more storage here, and just your standard on the other side. You know, closet stuff. Everything that you're gonna need. Cannot wait to show you the bathroom. Beautiful. Now I know they did a big renovation this year, so this room looks like it was included in that renovation. It was always beautiful here. Everything's fresh and new and as gorgeous as always. Lots of storage room underneath, ladies, for all of your stuff, all your hair things. Look at this backsplash here. So pretty, double vanity. Toiletries here, there's gonna be some more in the shower. Separate water closet. Take a look in there. Pretty little water closet. I like the smoked doors here. And here's your shower. Gorgeous walk-in with a bench. I like the bench, always have. You know, nice shower, plenty of storage here. You have everything's pumped, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And a lot of people are curious about water pressure. So I'm just gonna show you rather than tell you. I think it's safe to say that that's suitable. Decent water pressure there. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous room. Look at this. Just gonna have to stand back and let you take a look for yourself. Got a nice big king, beautiful bench on the end here. You got plenty of charger options here. You know I'm kind of big on that. USBs and Cs, regular charger on the side. Got your little notepad. Look at these colors, all the creams and blues, and I mean, these rooms were beautiful before, but this is really outstanding. Look at the beautiful wall. Yeah, it looks like the ocean, doesn't it? Nice to know that you do have a fridge. You got ice bucket, a couple of coffee cups, but you're not gonna get your coffee in here unless you bring your own, which we do. We like a mini Keurig we bring, but there is great coffee downstairs, Lavazza coffee. Got some nice glassware, plenty of space here. And then some more storage here. A couple of drawers, things like that. You have some more charging up here on the desk. Gorgeous lamps. Beautiful seating. And I actually sat in this really quick before I did this. It's so soft and comfortable. And this over here. We like to sit there too and take in the views. Now it is kind of getting dark, so I'll try to maybe grab some things tomorrow so you can see the view from the daytime. Over here, you got this same standard plug options here, which is fantastic. You got more back there and more behind that chair there. Floor to ceiling windows. Now, just a little pro tip. When you get here to check in, you can request a I guess ocean view or a city view. So see, again, hard to see at nighttime with me here in my shed. Look at this. We got an ocean view this time. They didn't have any city views. So when you get that, you're gonna see the ocean, and then you're gonna see Brigantine to your left. I'll show you during the day. I did want you to see how beautiful. Look, they have fire pits here. This is usually a huge green space with plenty of seating. It wraps all the way around to the front of the building, which I'm trying to put it up against here so you can really see. Right now it's covered in snow. We're here in December, as I said, so I can't wait to show you the view by day. The city view is equally awesome. Every view here is an ocean view. So the city view is gonna show you kind of the other direction where you're gonna see the lights of the boardwalk and the Ferris wheel. So that's it. I'll leave it there. I just want to kind of pull back and give you another view of this gorgeous room. This is 809. Get yourself to Ocean. It's stunning.